yung documents ko na ipinasend ko sa friend ko. So, siya din yung nagpa-apostol nito. Gumawa lang ako ng authorization letter. So, nagpa-apostol ako sa Cagayan kasi nga, wala akong kilala sa Davao. Ay, mabuti lang guys, walang problema. And mabilis ko lang na-receive. So, pinadala to ng friend ko nung Monday and Friday dumating siya. And yung binayaran ko pala is 4,600 something. Actually, nagmahal siya. Dati, ano lang, mga nasa 3 plus. Mahal na. So, iba na yung ano nila guys, yung apostille. Kasi yung previous apostille ko, also this year, yung color niya is green. Ngayon is red, na medyo pink. So, ito siya guys. So, 3 documents yung pina-apostille ko. Yung, marriage certificate, birth certificate, and NBI clearance. Kasi kailangan ko to guys para magpa-register sa Guimante. Kailangan kasi naka-apostille. So yun guys, finally makapag-start na kami. And yung birth certificate pala ni husband is on the way pa lang. Kasi kailangan din yung birth certificate ni husband. Pinanotarize din namin siya sa Latvia. And pinadala siya nung Wednesday. I hope so sa Monday darating siya para makapag-appointment na kami sa Guimante. Kasi kailangan din yung birth niya. Pupunta ako ng market kasi bibili ako ng uulamin namin. Kasi si husband nasa work pa at ako hindi ako sumama. Kasi nga marami akong ginawa today. And ngayon, kailangan ko magluto bago siya dumating sa bahay. I think bibili ako ng shrimp. And yun yung natitipuan kong lutuin today. Nakagalit lang ako. Isang jacket lang. Kasi nga, hindi naman sobrang lamig sa labas. So, let's go! So, tingnan nyo guys, sabi ko na maaraw. So, hindi siya malamig. And naka-sleeper lang ako. Ang daming bikes. Tingnan nyo guys, ang cute. Ang dami ng daon sa baba. Tingnan nyo naman yung sa dulo. Ang ganda ng kulay ng trees. Wait lang. Oops. So yan guys, yung bibilhin ko, half kilo lang. Mahal Yeah, it's okay. Pero din ako ng onion leaves. So, 69 cents per like this. Kukuha ko guys nitong orange. So, okay, it's done. Tingnan nyo guys, nandiyan na si husband. My love! Sunday ngayon guys, kaya ang daming tao. Kaso medyo maulan din. Nice na yung yung bike. Lagyan nyo lang ng lock, I mean. Guys, ito na yung niluto ko. Luto na yung ating shrimp. Meron tayo ditong rice. Ay, nagpa-slice si husband ng garlic. Kamukha niya guys yung anak niya. Itong hat, nabili ko ito sa Philippines. Dinala ko lang. Guys, pupunta kami ulit ng brother para i-deposit ng bata. 2 bag na. Tingnan nyo guys, ang daming tao. Ang daming tao. Bakit kaya? Oh my God. Why so many people, babe? It's a line? To get inside? Ang daming tao. Anong meron? Kaya pala guys, ang daming tao kasi nga yung mga taga-Germany doon mag-grocery kasi nga today holiday sa kanila. Sarado lahat ng tindahan. So guys, hindi na kami pumila dun sa brother kasi nga ang haba ng pila. Abutin kami ng siyam-siyam. So, punta kami sa kabila para i-deposit ng bottle. So, dito kami pupunta. Where is the machine located? Madami din tao ngayon dito. Hindi katulad dati. Kunti lang, hindi sabay-sabay. So, here is the machine. So guys, umabot siya ng 18 euro and 45 cents. And kumbaga guys, umabot siya ng 1,200 in Philippine peso. Nabayaran namin 28 cents na lang. Kung nabayaran namin 28 cents. Kung always ganito. 20 pesos? Yeah. So, ito yung tibigyan namin dami na oh. Magpunta kami dito. So, ito guys yung street food. There's also, I think...
but this one is good. You can...
Yeah, we're gonna try this.
Mag ik misschien 1 chocolade wachten? Ja, welke?
But they are stick.
No, it's not. Oh, here, it's hub.
Yeah.
This one. This one.
Dit is geen churros, hè?
What is inside? It's...
Try this and this.
Okay. Only one.
One of each.
Yes. With sugar?
Yes. Look, it's sweet. And also the one waffle. Chocolate. Yeah. My wife, she loves chocolate. Always. Everything only chocolate.
Same. Actually guys, masarap siya. Parang siyang donuts. Yung sa kanya mainit pa. Maybe we can exchange. First time ko itong natikpan. Hi everyone! Good morning! So today is another day. So ngayon guys, nag-stop muna kami dito sa gas station para bumili ng hot bread. And bumili din si husband ng drinks niya kasi hindi na siya bumibili ng Red Bull. So ngayon, pa isa-isa na lang yung iniinom niya. Mabuti yun.
Just from the oven out now.
Oh, this is fresh.
Because when I was there, it still was in the oven. Now go and...
Mainit pa siya. So ito talaga pa favorites ko. Ito yung kay husband kasi yung ano niya, cheese, yung laman. Ito naman sausage. Guys, nandito na kami sa first customer namin dito sa Germany sa city ng Lohnen. I don't know how to pronounce but it's Lohnen. So ito yung first unloading address namin. So yung i-deliver namin is 26 pallets of screens. Hindi ko alam kung anong itsura ng screens. And si husband nandun na sa loob sa office para mag-registered. Yung babae galing sa office. Nag-smile sa akin. So, ayun guys. Actually today, maulan. Nag-start kami kanina ng 6 AM. You know, alam nyo ba guys, today yung normal na pasok namin sa work. Hindi tulad ng nakaraang weeks. Yung schedule namin is paiba-iba. Like, sometimes we start 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Tapos minsan naman gabi, mga 10, 12, ganun. Kaya palaging puyat si husband and wala siyang enough na tulog. Yeah. And after this, he will gonna go to George Marienhout to load 26 black pallets. So yung description niya is Herbal Life Productive.
Sweetie, Artie, I want to explain you, then you will know, you know.
What?
When we are like this, when it needs plug out, and it's not himself charging out.
Okay. Guys, yung i-unload namin. And ito dapat nakalagay sa gitna. So, alalain ko si husband. Ako yung magko-control dito sa likod. So, kailangan niyang i-park dito sa ramp. I mean, sa dock. So, ito dapat guys, may lagyan dyan sa gitna. Look!
But I need to be straight. Wait, I will make straight.
So, kailangan niyang hindi pa straight. Nandito ako sa taas. You know how to... Be careful, babe, huh? It's heavy.
This way.
Oh, no.
So that's why
I will gonna hold then.
wait. I need to make it. Now you can regulate. I will gonna go straight and
Yeah. Kakaiba yung ano nila. Hindi tulad sa ibang dock na company. Ito, kakaiba. So, kailangan niya pang mag-drive. Hindi pa kasi straight, oh. Hindi pa siya straight. Stop! Oops! Wait! Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Now I can... Ah, but it's not straight. This one's not straight, oh.
that's okay. This is already okay. This is so good.
Okay. So, bababa na ako. Bakit ba ako dito sa taas? Kasi nga, ang lamig.
Like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, try.
So guys, another challenge kay husband. Kasi kailangan niyang i-park dito. Eh, na-exit lang ng ano nila.
If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak.
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Albertine. Grocery kami. Alam nyo ba guys, dito sa Europe, meron din silang mga sardines. And alam nyo ba, si husband kumakain din ng sardines. Ano nyo ba? So, ito yung pinili niya, sardines. Pero kakaiba yung sardines dito. Hindi siya as in malangsa compare sa Philippines. And mahal din yung sardines dito. Kumuha rin siyang ganitong sausage. Ano siya guys? Luto na siya. You can get orange.
Mandarin.
I like big. Or maybe only two.
This is grapefruit.
Huh?
This is not orange. It's grapefruit.
Apples.
This is the bitter one.
Ah. Okay then.
Mandarin.
But you need to choose. Because maybe it's...
What you can choose.
Well, you see it. It's already... Oh, maybe no need.
Okay, take it.
Look guys.
This drink fresh.
Tara! Ang cute. Ah, this is broccoli.
Different options that you can try.
So, yung dinner namin today is magluluto lang kami. Iinit lang namin tong lutong soup.
Good. And this one also.
What? So many?
See? 2 plus 1, 6.30.
Mayroon silang pa-promo. So, makakalis ka ng 2 euro.
Or you want
More
to do
than
something
2 euros.
different? Because these ones... Last time we was eating this with mushroom. You like it? Yeah? It was
Yes.
yummy. So now it's this champignon.
Maybe another one. But this one also, we also already take.
This is different.
Okay.
This one for sure needs to try. Maybe you can this, but I think I don't see which ones could be better.
Come and hold this because it's heavy.
You okay with this? Yeah. So which one you will cook today? This one. How it was before, something like this.
This is what we buy before.
Yeah, this one. But now we can some other. That is beef stew.
Yeah, that's what we take. Maybe this one.
What is the meat? Beef also? Yes.
Yeah, beef burger.
So very nice to cook this one and then cut it and eat with the soup.
Okay. So guys, bumili din kami ng sabon.
Pieces for
Ito guys yung ginagamit namin na shampoo. Baka naman or Adrilon. So, you will gonna get 3 pieces kasi nga meron siyang bonus. So, 3 piraso, 11 euro.
So like that.
So that's the flavor. What is this?
Or better this dry.
Maybe like strawberry. Maybe. Yeah. Maybe you need to change that. This one guys, bumili na ako. Meron akong ganito. Ano siya? Serum and oil.
Yeah.
So ito guys yung pipiliin namin.
Oh, the datum. Oh no, we need to change. Datum's run out.
Hi.
Yeah.
You can,
Can change?
yeah, you can get a new one, but I can't sell this.
Yeah.
So guys, babalitan ni husband yung kinuha niyong meat kasi nga expired na. So guys, yung total na bayaran namin is 101 euro. Meow! Meow! Ming, 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 ming. Meow! Nawawala siguro siya. Ming, ming, ming. Ang cute niya. Smile! Another one. Smile! Guys, mag-stop kami dito kasi bibili kami ng street food.
Maybe you want to try this casket corn.
What is me?
This is cheese popcorn. Cheese corn.
No?
Something new.
So, babalik kami ulit.
How are you?
So, ito guys yung binibenta nila.
Oh, it's okay.
Yan yung mga street
Getting
foods
tired.
dito.
What is that
So,
casket corn? This is the
o yung orderin ko is ito. Itong dalawa. Masarap kasi siya guys. Nag-order na kami dati. Or maybe I can try that empanada.
My wife, she says no, but there is with the cheese and the chicken and then corn on the round, so this is inside that. So I think it should be okay. It
And
should be
also
good.
what we ordered before.
What's that?
Yes, that's all.
That's it? Okay, that's it. Have you some chips, no?
No?